Once upon a time, in a beautiful land, there was a remarkable journey that every drop of water embarked upon. This journey was known as the water cycle. Let me take you on a short, engaging story about the water cycle, perfect for an animation to teach others about this fascinating process. Our story begins with the warm rays of the sun rising over a shimmering lake. As the sun's radiant energy touches the surface of the lake, it starts to heat the water, causing it to evaporate. The water molecules rise into the sky, transforming into tiny droplets of water vapor, invisible to the naked eye. As the water vapor rises higher into the atmosphere, it cools down, forming clusters of tiny droplets around dust particles or other nuclei. These droplets come together to create fluffy clouds, adorning the sky. The clouds float gracefully in the sky, carried by the gentle winds. But as the clouds continue their journey, they begin to accumulate more and more water droplets. Eventually, the clouds become heavy, and the water droplets within them combine to form larger droplets. When these droplets become too heavy for the clouds to hold, they fall back to the earth in the form of precipitation. Precipitation can take various forms, such as rain, snow, sleet, or hail, depending on the temperature and atmospheric conditions. The droplets descend from the clouds, showering the earth below. Some drops land on the ground, while others find their way onto leaves, rooftops, or bodies of water. Once the precipitation reaches the earth, it has different fates. Some of it seeps into the ground, replenishing underground water sources and becoming part of the groundwater. This groundwater is essential for plants, animals, and humans to thrive. Other precipitation flows over the land, forming streams, rivers, and eventually making its way back to the oceans, where it started its journey. This is known as runoff. Along its path, the runoff gathers more water, contributing to the flow of rivers and providing sustenance to countless ecosystems. But the water cycle doesn't end there. The sun's warmth continues to beckon the water. The process of evaporation starts anew, drawing water from oceans, lakes, rivers, and even plants. The cycle repeats itself endlessly, ensuring that water is constantly being recycled and redistributed across the earth.